Today I'm excited to show you the Queen's Power Paste. It's great for your laundry. So the first thing we're going to need is some borax, which you know you find in the laundry aisle at the grocery store, and some Fels Naptha bar soap. That's in the laundry aisle too, and it's a great spotter. This is going to be great for underarm stains, ring around the collar, any stains. So let me show you how to put it together. All you do is take your Fels Naptha bar soap, wet it, and I'm going to work it in under the arm on this shirt. We're just going to start and work it in under that arm, just exactly like that. Now you don't need to wear gloves, as you notice I'm not doing. It's perfectly safe. Then we're going to take a little of our borax. We're just going to work that in and work it between your thumbs like I always tell you. Then we're going to throw it in the washer and launder as usual. It takes out all kinds of stains. It's inexpensive and it works for you every time. It's the Queen's Power Paste. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.